Hi, welcome to another one of my videos. This one is of Indian Bike Week. It involves meeting two amazing people, the first in 2022 and the second this year, 2023. As many of you know, I'm doing vlogs on my travels, my interests around motorcycles in general, mainly Indian motorcycles, but you'll find me doing videos on other things, and I'm doing a few unusual videos on topics that are of interest to me. The main reason I'm doing those is at the moment I'm recovering at home from what is thought to have been a stroke, so I'm probably going to be housebound for a few months, so it enables me to catch up, do a few more videos on what interests me, and hopefully catch up on the videos I'm putting out from Indian Bike Week 2023. Yeah, so 2022 we had an RV. There was an RV next to us which was empty for a few days. It was bigger than ours. I thought, oh, maybe we ought to move into that one if no one turns up. And the funny thing, that first year, a lot of people heard my accent, and first thing they said, "Oh, you from Australia?" Oh, I kept going, no, I'm from the UK. So we found out in the end that there should have been another person at the event from Australia, Chris, and it was strange. He wasn't around for the first few days, but in the end we found out that unfortunately his motorcycle decided to have a bit of an argument with a deer just before the event started. So I think he spent the first 3 or 4 days in hospital. He was quite badly injured, to be honest. So this is a video of the grounds, how it was set out, and I'm just about to come up to ours, and the funny thing was, Chris, there you see, he was in the RV next to us, so that's why it was empty for a few days. So, but yeah, this is just showing a bit more about what happened in 2020 and 2023. So most bike weeks to date, there's been some celebrities from Sons of Anarchy and Mayans, and one of the evenings we were waiting around for them to turn up. As soon as they did, they made a beeline straight for Chris, which I thought was great, and signed his cast. Needless to say, Chris was confined to his RV for most of the time, but he did manage to get on a plane eventually, I think about a week later, and got home to recuperate. So just before we left for Indian Bike Week 2023, I messaged Chris on Messenger to try and find out when he was arriving, because we were travelling there a couple of days early, and to find out, unfortunately, he'd managed to fall off a ladder and brought his symptoms back of the injuries he had from the previous year on a motorbike. So yeah, obviously he was devastated, so were we, that he couldn't attend again. So one of the venues during Indian Bike Week we like to go to is the Wolf Creek Bar. Very nice food, very good atmosphere there, and whilst we were there we managed to bump into another Australian.
Hello from Australia.
Hi.
Hey.
Hello from the UK.
Yeah, I got it.
There was another Australian that was doing the Indian Bike Week, I believe, wasn't there?
Yes. Do you want to say hello to Chris? Because he's not here.
Oh, okay.
Hello, Chris.
I'll send this to him.
Chris.
That's
Say get
Chris
better.
as well.
Yeah, say get better soon because he fell off a ladder.
Oh.
Yeah, it was very good meeting up with Chris and Damian over at Wolf Creek during Indian Bike Week. And also it was great getting a chance to see Calamity Jane in the flesh, her classic Chief Vintage. So make sure to check out Chris Keeble's website. I've got some details on here of how to find it. Also, she runs a blog which you can follow various travels in Australia and now America.